Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Leo Amboy. In case the first time you're seeing this natural beautiful mamacita, kindly subscribe, click that red button, and also remember to click the post notification bell so that every time I post you'll be the first one to be notified. I am rapping, right? So on our today's video, this is going to be a series of events that are happening in this video. It's not really a weekly video, but I will call it a weekly video since there's a lot of this happening. And now it's at 12:30, almost 12:30, so 12:26. I haven't done my hair. I want to go and do my nails as well. So I'll go and do some cornrows on my hair and then I'll do my nails. So at the moment, I'm waiting for a delivery. I ordered our baby coat from Baraka Baby Shop, if I'm not wrong. Yes, that's the name, from Baraka Baby Shop. So I'm here waiting for them to arrive so that I can take a shower and then go to the salon. And then tomorrow we'll be going for a baby bump photo shoot. I only hope and pray that baby doesn't come before we do the baby bump photo shoot, because at the moment the baby can come at any time. So yeah, I need to be ready. Show you guys how my hair has grown. Can you believe this hair is just 6 months old? Yeah, 6 to 7 months old, and it's this long. Yes. And then oh yeah, yesterday I received my smartwatch from Oraimo. It's so far so good. I love it. Don't mind my nails, don't mind my hair, it ain't that good, but yeah, you'll allow me to prepare, take a shower. I'm going to show you guys when the baby coat arrives, and yeah, maybe when we set it up I'll tell my love to shoot that, because he might do that when I am not around. So yes guys, let's wait and see how the baby coat looks like. But it's dismantled, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it should be dismantled, then we come and assemble it at home. So yeah, and I'm wondering what is taking this guy so long to actually deliver. I've been waiting for them since like 9 and that's 12:30. So let me just call them, keeping in mind I have a nails appointment at 1:30. So yeah, let me try and call them. Okay,
low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn. But we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
So I'm back home. I feel so hungry and I crave for ngumu. So nimenuka ngumu nikule hata kama ni moja before I wait for my love akuja, because I've been also craving for fish. Yeah, big fish. So that is what we are going to have for dinner. Yeah, for now that's just our bag. Yes, najiangalia tu kwa kio. This is what I'm admiring. My baby. Yep. Hello guys. On our today's video, just a little bit of an explanation. So, remember when I told you guys that I was supposed to go for a photo shoot when I went to the salon? The guy that I was supposed to do the shoot with didn't reach out to me, or rather I reached out to him, he was not available. And I was so pissed, I felt so bad, and I had already paid the booking fees. So I couldn't go and install my wig. That is because he had not confirmed with me yet that we are supposed to have a shoot. I texted him, I told him we'll be having a shoot on Sunday, but he didn't like communicate back. He was just like, okay. But again, I told him to send me his location and whatnot. He never sent me his location. So Sunday comes, I call him. I asked him, I've been waiting for you to send me the location and you haven't sent me the location. And due to this seems so unprofessional. And mind you, the first time we worked together, he was doing my graduation photo shoot, and we actually had so much back and forth before he sent me all the photos, keeping in mind I paid him all the money. Okay, don't mind my face, I haven't slept so well. Mjuni ako hapa nyuma anasumbua kidogo. He underwent procedure yesterday, so it might be disturbing him a bit. So we actually slept with him on our bed so that I can be able to pamper him more, because he's not sleeping that well. But yeah, so far so good. At least amelala sahi, acha tuone kama atalala hata kama ni 3 hours, because he's full. He has been breastfeeding for the longest time. So yeah, so where was I? Yes, we had so much back and forth before he sent me all the photos as a graduation, and I don't know why I keep on working with people who constantly disappoint me. So I didn't go for that photo shoot, and that was it. I'm going to attach this video with the video that the baby coat came, because I'm supposed to shoot another video. Sahi. Okay, yes, that's it. That's all on our today's video. Always remember to be kind and do good to people. Till next time, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.